Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The Aston Martin Vantage has been thoroughly updated for the 2025 model year, and in addition to sporting new looks, it has debuted with a significant power increase that lifts the performance to new heights. Who said the days of exciting combustion-powered sports cars were over? Aston Martin describes the new model as the most driver-focused and fastest Vantage in the famous nameplate's 74-year history, and a look at the spec sheet suggests that's exactly what it is. Powering the 2025 Vantage is a thoroughly upgraded 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with 656 horsepower and 590 pound-foot, 800 Nm of torque, massive gains of 153 horsepower and 85 pound-foot, 115 Nm over the old model. The firm's engineers have managed to increase grunt by so much thanks to modifications to the V8's cam profiles, optimizations made to the compression ratios, the fitment of larger turbochargers, and increased cooling. Coupled with the engine is a familiar 8-speed ZF automatic transmission driving the rear wheels and allowing the car to hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in 3.4 seconds, while powering through to a 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers per hour, top speed. Aiding in the car's improved acceleration is a new launch control system and an adjustable traction control system. Plenty of other performance improvements have been made. For example, the front body crossmember has been re-engineered and repositioned. There is more lateral strength between the rear suspension towers, and intelligent adaptive dampers have been fitted. Aston Martin says these new dampers provide an inherently sporting feel while leaving room to introduce progressive tighter body control, and are paired with a refined electronic power-assisted steering system. All 2025 Vantages will come standard with 21-inch Fuge wheels wrapped in bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport 5 Siemens tires measuring 275 by 35 up front and 325 by 30 at the rear. Cast iron brake discs are also standard, while carbon ceramic brakes are an optional extra and don't just improve performance but also save 27 kilograms worth of unsprung weight. There's plenty of electronic trickery going on as well. For example, there is an advanced vehicle dynamics control system and an electronic rear differential that works in conjunction with an updated DSP system. Visually, the most obvious changes have been made to the front of the 2025 model. Aston Martin has increased the size of the grille and fitted matrix LED headlights, not dissimilar to those of the DB12. This sports car also rocks a wider rear bumper, larger tailpipes, and in addition to the standard paint options, can be ordered with one of 3 available liveries. The new model also follows in the footsteps of the DB12 with its interior changes. The dashboard has been overhauled and includes a new 10.25-inch infotainment system complemented by plenty of physical buttons and switches. An 11-speaker, 390-watt audio system comes standard, while a 15-speaker, 1170-watt system from Bowers & Wilkins is an option. Aston Martin will start production of the 2025 Vantage this quarter before starting the first deliveries in Q2. Friends, do you like the new 2025 Aston Martin Vantage? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.